another edition of Veeam Backup and Replication version 12 tips and tricks. In today's installment I wanted to show you how you can quite easily restore a object from your domain controller. So in our previous video we made a copy, a backup of our domain controllers, and now we are going to be using this backup to restore some data from it. So let's go to our Veeam. As you can see, this is my backup job for DC01 and it was successful. So we're gonna go to maybe here users and in the domain. Let's check users. Okay, and I'm gonna delete a object from my domain controller, and this object is gonna be, let's say I'm gonna delete Bill Paxton. Okay, let's delete the user. And now in order to actually retrieve we'll need to go to inventory, physical infrastructure, DC group, so the group that I have created, and from here I'm choosing DC1 because this is the one that we are going to be retrieving the stuff from. And let us check. Okay, so let's go to our home. Gonna go to disks. Let's check here. Okay, and here's our DC01. Okay, so here's our DC, and from here we are gonna choose restore application item. And this is my full backup, so I'm gonna be using this one, of course. If you had any incrementals done, then of course you're gonna choose one of the newest incrementals. So probably this will take a moment. Okay, so now it's loaded. Let's choose users, and I want to restore Bill Paxton. So I'm gonna restore the object, restore it to DC01, and now the restore has been completed. Oh, we can now go here and let's check in the users, and we're gonna refresh, and there we go, our user is back again where he's supposed to be. Okay, so now I will show you the second way that you can restore users. So this time we're gonna delete Lisa. Okay, and now let's actually go to Veeam. and we're gonna choose Lisa from here, and we're gonna export object, export to desktop. Okay, so we got Lisa here. We're gonna copy this. Okay, and let's see if I'll be able to actually paste it. Okay, so basically I managed to get my LDF file into my Active Directory from Veeam. So I exported the file here and I moved it from my Veeam to my DC. And now what we are gonna do, I'm just gonna rename it. I'm just gonna call it Lisa, because during the import it's definitely easier if you just use one word phrases. So I'm gonna run the admin, and now let us check one more stuff. Okay, so basically what we are gonna use, this command to import our file, LDF Lisa file, which is an DC object, back to our DC. So we have exported it from Veeam to the LDF file, and now we are gonna import the LDF file back to DC from command prompt. So basically what we are gonna be using is ldefde minus e, so import, minus f file, so we are specifying the file, minus s, we are specifying the server, which is of course our DC01. Okay, so basically what we have here, the server side are unable to update the password. The value provided for the new password does not meet the length complexity. Okay, so basically this is the problem here, because when you're trying to import it this way, you might get this error with the password, because it's trying to read the password of this user that we have previously created here for Lisa, of course. So I think that definitely the better way to import is using the first option from Veeam. It's faster and more reliable. But if you really want to use the command prompt, you can of course check up on the internet how what to specify when actually importing this file. Probably you need to specify a new password for the user while doing the import. Okay, so as always, if you like the content, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.